Hi, my name is Paresh and this is an exercise for creating and resolving cases. So here's the scenario. You work for a company that provides help desk support for its customers. One of your customers, Renee Wades, has recently called in and informed you that there was a problem with the delivery she recently received. So as a customer representative, you took the phone call initially and realized that it should be logged as a case. So you need to convert the call to Dynamics 365 case record and will then work it through the completion. So the high level steps over here that we are going to follow are that we need to manually create a case using Customer Service Hub, create a phone call activity, then convert that activity to a case, and then finally resolve the case. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that. So in your Customer Service Hub, let's first create an activity. So click on activities over here, and then on the command bar, click on phone call to register a phone call activity. As an issue, you can specify the issue. Let's say the issue was with the delivery. And then specify your user ID in the call from field. In the call to field, you can specify the contact, and then you can also specify the phone number that you contacted. And then the direction is outgoing. The duration was 30 minutes. It was regarding 8 Corporation. And then you can click on save over here. Now, once the activity is saved, let's say we want to convert this to a case now. So for that, we can go to the convert to button on the command and then choose the option convert to case. Now this will give me an option to choose the customer, and then my subject to classify this case, it was a query. Do you want to open a new case? I say yes. Do I want to change the phone call status to completed and close the form? I said yes, and then click on convert. Now once the case is open, you will see all the details over here in the summary, in the timeline are all, and the related cases for that account are all specified in this new case. At the identify stage, so specify the contact over here and then click on next stage to move to the qualifying stage. Now let's say at this stage we just want to resolve the case. So what we can also do is we can click on the resolve button over here. So in the resolution, just type emailed to the customer. Let's say total time, billable time, let's say, okay, it was 15 minutes, and click on resolve. So this will go ahead and change the status to problem solved, and the status of this case is now resolved. Now, what if we want to reactivate the case that we had set to resolve, make some modifications to it, and then resolve the case? Well, in that case, we can go to our cases, and over here you can select a view which says, all right, show me all my resolved cases. So now you can see that this is the case that you had resolved. So you can click on the case and reopen it. So in this case, the status is problem solved, and this case is read only. So we need to reactivate the case to be able to do any modifications. So for that, we can click on the action reactivate case. We say, all right, reactivate it. Now on the recent cases or the related items, we can select our recent case, which was issued with the delivery, and click on this knowledge base article icon over here. We say, all right, this is the relevant article that I would like to send it to the customer, and we click on email, and this will show you the preview of how the email will be sent, and then you can click on send. So once you have sent the knowledge base article, it will also update your timeline saying that, okay, this email has been sent to the customer. Maybe the customer now says that fine, this article was very useful and he was able to resolve the case. So now you can go ahead and close the case by clicking on resolve case again. And then maybe this time the billable time was in total 1 hour. And over here you can say, all right, emailed KB article, and then click on resolve case. And now your case has been resolved.